गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट, हाउ आर यू। काफी दिनों से आपका कार्य बंद चल रहा था। आज एक बार पुनः दीपक शर्मा क्लास 3rd SST जो सोशल स्टडी है, एक पुस्तक है महाभारत, दूसरी है SST। तो SST वाली मैं आज आपको चैप्टर 1 कराने जा रहा हूँ। ध्यान से सुनिएगा और ध्यान से पढ़िएगा। The story of our past, the story of the beginning of the creation. Beginning माने शुरुआत। The story of the beginning of the creation. We know that there are 4 ages. सतयुग, त्रेता युग, द्वापर युग and Kali Yuga. Sri Ram was born in Treta Yuga. Shri Krishna was born in Dwapar Yuga. Now Kali Yuga is going on after Mahabharata. 4 युग होते हैं, सतयुग, त्रेता युग, द्वापर और कलयुग। राम का जन्म त्रेता युग में, कृष्ण का जन्म द्वापर युग में हुआ और इस समय वर्तमान में कलयुग चल रहा है। ये महाभारत के बाद शुरुआत हुई थी इसकी। ह्यूमन क्रिएशन वाज स्टार्टेड बाय ब्रह्मा जी इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ सतयुग। एट लास्ट 39 lakhs years have been passed since its beginning. We know a little about Satyuga because it was a very serious devastation in the end of Satyuga and the starting of Treta Yuga on this earth. After this devastation, this human creation was restarted by Manu. How this creation was started? सृष्टि की शुरुआत कैसे हुई? There is a story in our ancient religious books about this. Having taken a bath in a river in the morning, Vaishwat Manu took handful water for tarpan. He saw that a small fish had come in his handful water. Manu had left the water from his hand. At that time fish spoke, "O king, there are many big creatures in this river for eating small fish like us. Why their fear I have come to you. Please protect me." Manu took it and put in the water of his ear. He went to his ashram. After a few days, the fish grew up so big that she could not move herself in the ear. After that, Manu put it into a big pot. She grew up in the pot also. Then they put it into the pond of ashram. The fish also grew up so big there that the pond shortened to the fish. Manu put it into the river. The river was not as big as the fish, so at last Manu dropped it into the sea. As soon as the enters into the sea, she said, "It will be a great devastation since its 7th day. Everything will sink in the water. O king, you have saved me, so I will protect you at the time of devastation." Manu made a plan to save from the flood He prepared a very big boat. He kept safe the seeds of all vegetation and the couple of animals. At seventh day, the sea surrounded the earth. In the time, Dipper came and sat in the boat. It was raining heavily. It was stormy. The boat began to blow by the draw of the wind. A giant fish appeared. She took the boat at the top of Himalayas. Manu tied the boat with a peak. The devastation time passed, the sea descended. Then after, the remained animals, vegetation and disease on that boat used to create new creation. The present historians think it only a imagination. We think it a real event. Its description is in the Ramayana, Mahabharata and main ancient books, as well as its description could be seen in all the ancient books of all castes. The same description of devastation found in the ancient books of Egypt, Jewish, Babel, Wave, Sumer, Assyrian, South America. Two clans were followed by Manu. One was of his son Ikshvaku and second was of his daughter Ila. The pedigree of Ikshvaku was called Suryavansh. Prathu, Mandhata, Sagar, Dilip, Bhagirath, Raghu, Dasharath and Ram were the famous kings of this pedigree. Daughters Ila's pedigree was called Chandravansh, Pururuva, Nahush, Dushyant, Bharat, Shantanu, Bhishma, Yudhishthira, Duryodhan, etc. were the famous kings of this clan. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स। इसके बाद मैं आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर इसके दे रहा हूँ, आप अपनी फेयर कॉपी पर क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे साफ साफ राइटिंग में। क्वेश्चन आंसर देखिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, हाउ मेनी युगाज आर देयर? राइट देयर नेम्स। देयर आर 4 युगाज, सतयुगा, त्रेता युगा, द्वापर युगा एंड कलयुगा। इसका आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ऑफ विच युगाज इवेंट इज द रामायण? त्रेता युगा। इन विच युगा वाज महाभारत हैपेंड? द्वापर युगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, व्हेन वाज ए ग्रेट डिवास्टेशन ऑक्योर्ड? आंसर है ग्रेट डिवास्टेशन वाज ऑक्योर्ड इन द एंड ऑफ सतयुगा एंड द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ त्रेता युगा। व्हाट वाज सेड बाय द फिश टू मनु आफ्टर ड्रॉप इनटू द सी? आंसर है द फिश सेड इट विल बी ए ग्रेट डिवास्टेशन सिंस इट्स 7th डे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, इन विच कंट्री बुक इट द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ डिवास्टेशन इवेंट? इजिप्ट, जीविश, वेव, सुमेर, साउथ अमेरिका। और लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ मनुज सन एंड डॉटर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 दोबारा देखिए। व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ मनुज सन एंड डॉटर? मनु के पुत्र और पुत्री का क्या नाम था? इक्ष्वाकु एंड इला। थैंक यू।